Hey Trade Fam, welcome back to the channel, cousins. Listen, happy Money Market Monday. And as always, you guys know we're going to look at ACAD, take a look to see what entries we have for the week. This is a bank holiday here in the U.S., so if you are trading any U.S. pairs, be very conscious of that. That is also going to cause the market to move a little slower than normal. But as normal, if you guys are liking the content, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, subscribe so that you don't miss out on what's next. Comment below, let me know what you think. Share on social media, let some of the friends and family get in on these pips, okay? Now, as always, if you're here, you're interested, so let's get into it. Now, looking at our friend Forex Factory here, it shows you very clearly up here that it is a bank holiday, right? Scrolling down right along, ACAD looks to be moving down, but I'll show you something a little bit different. AU moving up, EUR moving up, USD CAD moving down. Y'all know anything with the US in it is going to be moving opposite of the index, okay? Well, anything with US as the second part is going to be opposite of the index, okay? If US is the first part, it's going to be moving with the index, okay? Now, looking down at our news, we don't have anything crazy, just that today is a bank holiday for US pairs, which does cause the market to move a little bit slower than normal, but nothing else to really look out for. Maybe we'll take a look at 7:30 tonight to look and see if there's anything going on causing any crazy movement, because Australia has, what is this? Okay, so we're looking at the Reserve Bank Board's recent meeting information. So, of course, it's a little orange folder, so we'll keep that in mind, okay? I love this little Why Traders Care section right here. It's like my favorite. But let's go ahead and move over to the charts. And as always, we are going to start with the daily and kind of work our way through, right? You know, we start with our handy dandy trend line. Of course, let's zoom out so you guys can see the whole thing. There we go. And this is our ending point right here. This is our origin point right here. Okay, y'all know, do the trend line dance. You need 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop it, right? So let's see. You could even put it back here. Let me unlock it. You could even put it right there. Same difference, right? But let's go to our fib. And this is 236 all day. So because we didn't get a retracement down deep enough, this is 236 entry, which means we use our handy dandy fib extension tool, okay, to figure out where price could possibly start doing reversal stuff, okay? And that is our potential take profit, and I'll show you why I put that on there from the 4 hour from the daily without an entry, right? So let's move over to the 4 hour chart. So on the 4 hour, let's get rid of our daily information, and we're going to take a look at a few fibs here, okay? Now you guys know I like my progression. We did not get an entry at our 50%, so this is a 236 trade, which means we pull out our handy dandy extension tool, right? New fib, because we have to check devil's advocate to see where price could reverse. Did it? No, not really. So this is our potential entry for a higher high break. So once price breaks this line and creates a higher high from our 4 hour standpoint, that's when I would be looking to get in, or at least looking at the chart. So let's do this. Right click on it, and we are going to create an alert. We want to see when it's crossing up. Let's do once per bar close. Actually, once per minute, because I'll be in front of my computer. And all of this is correct. So I just copy and paste the same thing. So crossing up horizontal line. Let's put a comma. Higher high. Crossing. Let's put higher high. Okay, and create. Now, if you do not have the paid version, you can use, let me see, currency heat wave to put like alerts on price points. And if you guys want me to do a video on currency heat wave, let me know in the comments below. You can even let me know in the comments on the TradingView setup that I'm going to drop after this video. But let's keep it moving. So that's where our stop loss would be at. So potential entry at 0.99006. Stop loss is going to be just below the last low on this little move at 9.97049. Let's take a look at our horizontal line. This is our TP1. Okay, so let me preface this. This is take profit 1. Okay, because we have, remember that other line that I left out for the daily? See, this is the take profit from the 4 hour, and let's call this one TP2. Okay, and moving right along, so we're going to go down to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so for the 1 hour time frame, I want to show you guys something, like why I do things this way. So we always start out with our handy dandy trend line, but I want to show you the fibs and the progression of why we're doing what we're doing, right? So we definitely got an entry here. Depending upon your broker, you may or may not have got entered at 786. And then we draw out our next fib. Next fib never touched 50%, or next retracement never touched 50%. So what do? Handy dandy extension. Extension gave us take profit 1, 2, and 3. So we keep going, right? Next one, it gave us an entry, not at 786, but 618 entry. Really great. Draw out that box. Gave us a couple opportunities to enter on a 1 hour time frame. Let's see. This gave us, in this trade, 12 bars to enter. So let's keep going. So new fib, this was the entry. I am going to put a pending here. Okay, pending order right here at this price point to see if price gives us a second opportunity to enter like it did back here. And like back here, it gave us a couple. Back here, same thing. I would love to get us an entry right here, or see an entry happen for us right here. That just, it screams like buy. But stop loss goes here. Let's scrunch it in a little bit. And then remember all of our take profits from the other time frames. Okay, so that's a higher high entry if we miss this one from the 4 hour. Okay, I'll still use this stop loss, but I will probably make it tighter. And let's scrunch it in. Take profit 1 is going to be here. Okay, and then I want the daily take profit 2. Take profit 2 is going to be way up here. Okay, so I would love to see this happen. It would make me very happy, because that just looks like fun all day. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and update this information on TradingView for you guys. Keep you in the loop as far as what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm waiting for this pending order here. I have a buy limit because I need it to go down and back up, so it's not a stop. So I need a buy limit here. And then I am looking at this for take profit 1. Wait, where'd it go? Yes, take profit 1 way up here. I'm looking at my higher high entry as take profit for this entry for the 1 hour, and then take profit 1 for this entry on a 2 hour, or 4 hour, sorry. Let's put this here so I can stop confusing it. On second thought, we'll just use the entry here as take profit 1 for the pending order. Okay, so this is 4 hour 236 entry, or 1 hour take profit. And we'll put this as take profit 1, because I still want to use the other take profits. It looks like it'll be fun for the week, but this should give us plenty to do on ACAD. Okay, so let's save this. Now, that's going to wrap us up here. Now, as always, go ahead and follow me on these social medias. That way you're not missing out on any information. I am trying to keep track of the amount of pips that we catch for the year, just doing one setup a week. So we'll see how it is like at the end of the year, because I'm dying to know, because I didn't do it last year. And I think it's because I started the Money Market Mondays closer to the end of the year, like probably 3 or 4 months before the end of the year. But we'll keep track this year and see how many pips we get just doing one setup, because depending upon your account size, one setup every week could be very lucrative for you. So we're going to wrap it up here. I hope you guys are having an awesome and productive day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.